Making snacks at home can be fun, delicious, and often healthier than store-bought options. Here are some simple snack ideas to try. Fruit kebabs. Thread chunks of your favorite fruits onto skewers for a colorful and nutritious snack. You can use a variety of fruits such as strawberries, grapes, pineapple, and melon. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Cut up vegetables like carrots, cucumber, bell peppers, and celery into sticks and serve with your favorite hummus for dipping. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey for a tasty and protein-packed snack. Popcorn. Air pop some popcorn and season it with a sprinkle of salt, nutritional yeast, or your favorite herbs and spices for a light and satisfying snack. Homemade trail mix. Mix together nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips for a customizable and energy-boosting snack. Avocado toast. Mash up ripe avocado and spread it onto whole grain toast. Top with sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil for a simple and nutritious snack. Smoothie. Blend together your favorite fruits, leafy greens, yogurt or milk, and a handful of ice cubes for a refreshing and nutrient-rich smoothie. Energy balls. Mix together oats, nut butter, honey, and add-ins like chia seeds, dried fruit, or chocolate chips. Roll into balls and refrigerate for a quick and portable snack. Caprese skewers. Thread cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella balls, and basil leaves onto skewers. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of salt for a tasty and elegant snack. Roasted chickpeas. Drain and rinse canned chickpeas, then toss them with olive oil and seasonings like garlic powder, cumin, and paprika. Roast in the oven until crispy for a crunchy and protein-packed snack. Frozen yogurt bark. Spread Greek yogurt onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Top with sliced fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Freeze until firm, then break into pieces for a refreshing and customizable snack. Cucumber bites. Slice cucumber into rounds and top with hummus, cream cheese, or guacamole. Add toppings like cherry tomatoes, olives, or smoked salmon for a tasty and low-carb snack. Feel free to get creative and customize these snack ideas based on your preferences and what you have available in your kitchen. Happy snacking!